This video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the pop-ups related to the site Aluna.cfd. This is a dangerous site targeting Google Chrome browser and other browsers. It tries to make you click on Allow button, but to click on Allow is truly a mistake, because this will hijack the browser with plenty of quite annoying advertisements that will keep periodically popping up in the right part of the screen. To remove these ads, access the menu, then Settings. In the left area of the Settings window, you need to select Privacy and Security. So Settings, then in the left area of the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions, you need to click on Notifications. At this point, pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove the junk sites from the list. Finally, I do recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, download the software through this official website, install the program, and then start investigating your computer to detect and then effectively eliminate all other threats which could still or possibly stealthily remain on the system. So use Combo Cleaner to get your system fixed. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.